عم رمسيس الراجل اللي خدها كعب داير من ميدانه لحد ما جه وسط جيرانه ونور مكانه. وسلام على طول السلام يا جدعان لجيران المتحف اللي نورونا، عم ابو الهول واسرته وهرم خوفو وصحبته.
وعامل يا اسطى زينهم وعزيمه.
هات ايديك يا ولا وتعالى نجري على فين معرفش انا هو بس نجري من ناس ومن الكلام من روحنا والصدام اهو نجري والسلام وتعالى نجري. ناس بتخاف من ناس لا يكونوا الناس مش اولاد ناس، وتلاقي في ناس بتدوس على ناس علشان خايفة تنداس.
عزيزي المشاهد عزيزي المستمع، لنا ولكم لقاء شيق وممتع مع فرحة الفراعنة. ما هو أصل الفرح فراعنة. وسلامات طايره هلا من ورا الجدران والمسله للملك توتو بصحبته الملكه حتشبسوت. قابل وقعد وافتح لكل واحد تابوت. المتحف المصري الكبير جدودك سايبين لك من الخير كتير، يعني لو خالك كان ورث امك تعالى اتمرمخ في عز جدك. الفراعنه كمان مره الفراعنه، يعني التاريخ ده كله بتاعنا بس اصنام العجوه مش تبعنا، يعني بلاش تلعب مع الفراعنه لا تسيبك اللعنه. بلدنا بلد البناء والعمارة، يعني كل بلد وليها منارة إلا بلدنا وليها حضارة.
أرى أثرا لحراس الحدود طوال مسيرنا.
الشام وكنعان والحجاز وما عداها من الأمصار تترك فيها الأمور على هواها، فلا حدود لها ولا أسوار لتحميها. لكن مصر لها شأن كبير، لها حدود مرسومة وفيها قوانين ملزمة، وعندها جيش وحكومة تسوس أمر العباد. إن فراعنة مصر أقوى رجال هذه البسيطة يا يوسف.
Light, power, life, forever. Now their legacy stands reborn. A temple of knowledge built for the future, where innovation meets immortality, where Egypt speaks again. The gates of history open, and the world stands in awe. The Grand Egyptian Museum, a vision of the past, crafted for the world of tomorrow. Light returns to the land of the pharaohs, opening to the world. November 2025.
The keys, but I programmed the 808, say I made it breathe. Hey, I wrote the lyrics, and hey, I did the flow, but I wrote the hook, and hey, I made it cold. Hey, I did the mix, hey, I did the master, hey, I made it clean, hey, I made it fatter, hey, I did the vocals, but hey, I had to help me. Still getting used to this AI world that I'm in when I found out what ChatGPT could do. I started with some bars, gave me take shots too, so I got a beat, took a trip to OpenAI, started writing down all my thoughts and ideas. My people heard the hook, said it was a vibe, I had to play it off. Man, I couldn't lie, so I took it to a few more. Started putting pieces together like a jigsaw. Said I needed some vocals, so I went and bought an AI so I could see what it sound like if I sing it live. Made it sound more human, no complaints. Made me feel more confident, I couldn't fake. So I took it to the studio, had it put together. Still couldn't believe it was coming together. Put the last touches, just AI and me. Finally put it out and it felt like a dream. AI did the drums and AI did the keys, but I programmed the 808, say I made it breathe. AI wrote the lyrics and AI did the flow, but I wrote the hook and AI made it cold. AI did the mix, AI did the master, AI made it clean, AI made it fatter, AI did the vocals, but AI had to help me. Still getting used to this AI world that I'm in. It's kind of crazy, the power that AI has, all the things you could do with it, man. Just trying to keep up with the trends, you know. Can't just get left behind. I wonder where this is gonna take us. It's scary but exciting at the same time. I feel like it's something I need to learn, but man, first for